get this whole thing all welded together. This one got hit in this right rear corner.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the
So I just about have this one all prepped out, almost ready to weld. This lower tie bar is going to sit on here like this. There's a few welds back behind this that I need to go ahead and zap first because I won't be able to get to them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to weld those, just the few that are hidden behind here. Then I'll go ahead and clamp this in place, get this where it's supposed to be sitting. So I got everything all fit up, everything's fitting very nicely. Take some measurements just to make sure everything's exactly where it's supposed to be within spec. And then I will go ahead and start welding this together once I know that it's all good. What I gotta do first is I pick 5 points in the center section of the vehicle and match the measuring system to the car. Then it will know exactly where the car is sitting, and then I could go to the front end and check those points. All different attachments, and it tells you which ones to use depending on which point you're going to. And that's 5 points there, so now it knows exactly where the car's sitting. I just can't let the car move, obviously. Now I can come up here to the front and make my measurements, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. So the lower section of this all measured out perfectly. Now I'm going to do some comparison measurements at the top, just to double check it. I'm checking the length right now, and that's perfect. Now to make sure it's square, I'm going to do an X. That's perfect. Now just to check the height of the baffle on that side, I'm going to do this side to side, and that is perfect as well. So this thing's measuring out exactly like it's supposed to, so I'm going to go ahead and get to welding, get this whole thing all welded together. I have a Grand Cherokee here. This one got hit in this right rear corner. Damaged the liftgate right here. I'm gonna repair that. And then this actually looks worse than it really is, I think. This is all crushed here, but it has this lip here, and I'm gonna grab this and make a couple folds. And I think a lot of this will work out as I pull it. And it also buckled the quarter panel right here. Everything getting stuffed, and it pushed that together. But as I pull it, I should be able to work that too. So I'm gonna start working all this one out, get it straightened out.